Hi, this is Judge Harry Bowden with Child Support Court Vodcast. Make sure you go to childsupportcourttv.com. Check out the new videos, our sponsors, and make sure you get to Ask Judge Harry, where you can call in every Tuesday from 9:30 to 11 and ask Judge Harry. Thank you for being a loyal viewer of Child Support Court, the Vodcast, with Judge Harry Bowden.
GetMyBabyMoney.com.
Get my baby money. Get your money, baby, get your money, money. Get my baby money.
Welcome back to Child Support Court, the Vodcast, with Judge Harry Bowden. When we left before, we talking about enforcement of your rights. So twice you have gone over there. Twice you have been denied your rights. Well, let's look at it from a very practical standpoint. You could, let's say, very calmly, very gently, very professionally, simply call what? Starts with a P, ends with an E, po. Oh, that's po. I meant police. Okay. Call the police out to the scene. You can do 911. I have a non-emergency report that's needed. They say, we'll be right with you. Dang, it's an hour later. This is your child. You stay there 5 hours if you want to enforce your rights. Okay, so they come out and you say, officer, I have a, starts with a C, ends with an R, 2 words, court order that gives me rights to see my child today, and she won't let me. The police officer will normally say, well, this is domestic, we can't do nothing, you gotta go back to court. And you didn't call for them to do anything right then and there, except provide a service that they can provide, and that is to make a report. I want to make a report. Now, ladies, whoa, don't get mad now. Hold on. I see some of y'all out there saying, what is he telling? I'm telling them how to do it the right way when you're not allowing them to exercise their rights as a father. Because hold on, I'm going to get to you now because I'm going to tell how you to do it the right way when the exercise of rights or non-rights go a little bit too far. We're talking practical things here. So let's get back. Fathers, what you want to do is this. Call the police. And by no means, for those officers out there that I have served with and under and I have seen in court, you know me. You know I respect what you do. You know I know what you do. You know I know that it is viable and it is necessary and you do a good job. Okay, so anyway, call the police, make a report the first time. Call the police, make a report the second time. Call the police, make a report the third time. And each time you make a report, get a report number and walk away knowing that you're doing the right thing. But what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? You're making a record. You're making a record of the custodial parent ignoring the court order. And you're doing it in a civil way. You're doing it the right way. But we're going to get to it right after this word from our sponsor. Don't you miss a word. Come back. Getting married has been made easier. Don't wait. If you are in love, Get your wedding ceremony performed virtually or in person at one of our many locations. Get your nuptials in no time. Now you have a friend in the wedding business. Go to streamingvows.com today. Now, true story. Third time, same time, because your child visitation rights are established. You go there Saturday morning, 10 o'clock. Guess what? The same officer is on duty every single time. First time he meets you, oh, well, I can't do anything, but not ask you to do anything, but I am going to ask you to please make a report. Here's my court order, and I like a report that she refuses to let me see my child because she said I came 5 minutes late. Oop. Whatever. All right. So you do it the second time. Guess what? The same officer comes. True story. Third time, the officer says, ma'am, this is a valid court order. If you don't get the child ready, I'm going to lock you up. Guess what? You got your baby. You got your baby. You got your baby. And you're going to get, you understand what I'm saying. What I'm saying is this. You got to enforce your order. You can do it, especially by continuing to listen to Judge Bowden, Child Support Court, the Vodcast. We'll see you next time.